What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Few days back I made a video on installing Android 12 on OnePlus 5 series. In that previous video we installed Android 12 beta 4.1, but lots of users requested for fresh video guide on installing Android 12 beta 5. So in this video I'll show you how to install Android 12 beta 5 on your OnePlus 5 and 5T. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before installing Android 12 beta 5 on your OnePlus 5 or 5T, make sure you are running the latest build of Oxygen OS. And there are few files given in the description below. Just download those files, place it inside the internal storage, and you should also have custom recovery installed on your device. And it's recommended to use Orange Fox recovery for flashing Android 12. So on my device you can see I already have Orange Fox recovery installed. If you guys are not aware about installing custom recovery on your OnePlus 5 and 5T, I'll leave a video guide in the description below. After you have Orange Fox recovery installed, you need to have these files. One is CR-Droid ROM, second one is patch, third one is the system image from Android 12, and the fourth one is no verity treble zip file. So copy these 4 files in the internal storage and you'll be good to go. Starting off with the first file which you need to flash is the CR-Droid ROM. Make sure to use the latest version of CR-Droid. Select CR-Droid, swipe to install, and installation might take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once CR-Droid ROM have been successfully flashed on your OnePlus 5 or 5T, go back, go to format section, and from here you need to select these options: Dalvik caches, system, data, avoid wiping vendor, and internal storage. Internal storage have our main files which you need to flash. And here we are using CR-Droid vendor, so avoid wiping vendor from the wipe section. Swipe to confirm wipe. Once done, go back, go to the SD card, and from here now select system image. Under partition, select system image and swipe to install image. It will hardly take 10 to 15 seconds for completion of flashing system image. After that, go back and now flash the patch file. Also guys, remember to use the GSI file which I have given in the description below, because here we are using Pixel 3 GSI image. I also tried using Pixel 5 GSI image but wasn't able to flash it because of smaller partition size. So now we have also flashed the patch image, and at last we need to flash this no verity treble file. Swipe to install. And we have successfully flashed all the required files on our OnePlus 5 to boot Android 12. And now just tap on reboot system. And there we go, we have the boot animation of Android 12 on a OnePlus 5. We'll wait for the device to boot up, and here you can see we have successfully booted our OnePlus 5 running Android 12. Let me show you the software information first by going to About section. Model, it says Pixel 3 because we have used the Pixel 3 GSI image. Android version is 12. Beta 5 comes with 5th September security patch, and the build number says SPB5. So guys, this way you can install Android 12 on your OnePlus 5 or 5T, and I'll be doing a dedicated video on how to fix VoLTE services on GSI images. So stay tuned for that. By evening I might upload that video of fixing VoLTE services, and that will be very useful for Indian users who are using Jio SIM cards. So guys, this was a quick installation of Android 12 on OnePlus 5 and 5T. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.